Hi, today we are going to learn how to create an address selector with two drop-down lists. We will learn how to filter a list of municipalities by province. In the variables section, let's go to page variables and create a list of objects with two properties. I'm naming it list, and the properties I'm naming them as municipality and province. Then we add another variable, selected province. The selected province variable will hold the currently selected value of the province dropdown. On page load event, we are going to add a set page variable node and set the variable list to a list of provinces and municipalities. Note that one province can have many municipalities, but municipality names are unique. For the sake of this tutorial, I am populating the list in the program itself, but you may get the data from a REST API. The process of filtering will be exactly the same. Now let us set the source for the drop-down list for provinces. We'll bind it to a formula. Now since the drop-down list takes a list with two properties, label and value, as its source, we are using the map function. The map function, we are taking the data from the page variable called list, and then from this list we are creating another list with properties label and value, and to these properties we are mapping the values of the province in the original list using item.province. What this will return is a list of provinces, but it will be a repetitive list as it will return the value of province for every municipality. This is why we use the unique by key function. It will return only the unique values from the list of provinces we got as an output of the map function. Next, we will set the selected value property of this list to the page variable selected province. Now let's work on our list of municipalities. We will set the source of the list to a formula. Here we will need the same kind of structure, so we are using the map function to create a list with properties label and value. Here we are filtering the list of municipalities using the select statement on the original list. This select statement returns a list with only the items from the original list where the value of province is equal to the variable selected province, and the variable selected province comes from the value selected on our first drop down list. Once we save this, we are ready to go. Now let's check it on our preview app. We have our provinces and municipalities list. On the provinces drop down, we have the unique list of provinces. Let us select the second one. Then on the municipalities, we see the corresponding values are there. Now for the second province, there are our values. So it works.